Hello students, in this section I am going to explain neat question that is regarding of to calculate the nearest neighbor distance and coordinates number of BCC crystal. So here one crystal is given, it contains 8 corner, 6 face and 1 center, 12 edges. So this corner is taken as the first one, whose contribution is 1 by 8. From this, the nearest is this one, its half value, 1 by 4. This is the next nearest, 1 by 2. Here the contribution is 1. So like that of this way, 1 by 8, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1. Then here this way, 1 by 8 is also one corner, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, like this. Here one more corner is there, 1 by 8, 1 by 4, 1 by 2. Or in this way, 1 by 8 next to this 1 by 4, next to this 1 by 2. So first, this is the first corner particle whose contribution is 1 by 8. Next 1 by 4, half the value. Next half 1 by 2. Next half 1. So this direction 1 by 8. This corner 1 by 4. This corner 1 by 2. This 1 by 1. Then in this way, 1 by 8, 1 by 4, 1 by 2. Here 1 by 4, 1 by 2. Then this face share by half, 1 by 2. This also 1 by 2. Here not shared, 1, whose value is, here also this value is 1. Center is not shared, whose value is 1. Then in a BCC crystal, the edge length to this point, the edge length atom in the corner and face, the edge length is A. Every edge length is A. Here also A, here also A, here also A, here it is A, here it is A, here also it is A. Then body, this is face diagonal. This face diagonal value is considered as, I already posted a video that is to calculate the radius and packing efficiency. This value is root 2a. Face diagonal value is how much mean? Root 2a. This is body diagonal. Total value root 3a. Half the value root 3 a by 2 root 3 a by 2. So edge length a, this is the face diagonal value root 2a. This is the body diagonal value is root 3a. Here the corner to the center, this is half, root 3a by 2. Here also half, root 3a by 2. Then these values are body diagonal, that is edge length a from the corner, face diagonal a root 2, body diagonal root 3 a by 2. So this is considered as 1a or 1. This is considered as root 2a. The root means 1.414, that is 1.4a. Here it is root 3, 1.73 by 2, that is 0.8a. So from the corner, the distance are 1, 1.4, 0.8. So which is the nearest distance? Which is the nearest distance mean? Nearest distance is root 3 a by nearest distance root 3 a divided by 2. That is, then first nearest of that is the next nearest or second nearest. This is the first nearest, root 3 a by 2. Then second nearest or next nearest, second or next nearest, that is a. Then third nearest or next to next nearest, a root 2 a root 2. That is here from the corner edge length a, this is the face diagonal a root 2, this is the body diagonal, that is half the distance of the body a root 3 by 2. So from the corner, what is the nearest distance? Nearest distance means this value is the very low value. So the very low value is considered as the nearest, that is the first nearest, that is a root 3 a by 2. Then this is the second nearest or next to next nearest, that is a, that is 1. Then 1 is very much greater this 1.4, that is the third nearest or next to next nearest. Then to calculate the coordination number of nearest, coordination number of the nearest particle. So this is the corner particle. To this corner, the nearest particle, the nearest one is how much? Root 3 a by 2. So root 3 a by 2 means corner to the center. That is the corner to the center through body diagonal. So the calculation, how many corner item in 8 corner item, 8 into, it is one particle, only one particle, so that is equal to 8. Such type of particle, the first nearest is, in many previous year questions, this question asked, that is, what is the nearest particle on BCC, that is a root 3 by 2, that is the corner to the center, that is through the which diagonal? Body diagonal. So that is the coordination number. So the coordination number of the nearest, that is the first one is 8. Then calculate the second or second nearest. How to calculate mean? Here, this is the corner. This is the second nearest. That is, or next nearest. This one. This all the back. This. So these three are. This one is contact with this one. What is the value? How much value? All are 1 by 4. So this is 1 by 4. This also 1 by 4. There is not this one. 1 by 4. This is not this. It is this 1 by 4. All are 1 by 4. So how many corner particle? 8 corner atom is touched with 3 into whose contribution is 1 by 4. All of them 1 by 4. This one 1 by 4. This one 1 by 4. This one also 1 by 4. So that is 24 divided by 4, that is equal to 6. Coordination number of the second nearest or next nearest is 6. Then third, so this particle to this particle, this one is the third nearest. Then this one. Then this one. So all are how much value? This one is the value. This one. How much value? 1 by 2. This also 1 by 2. This also 1 by 2. So calculation, 8 corner atom is touched with 3 whose contribution is 1 by 2. So that is 24 divided by 2, that is equal to 12. So the coordination number is 12. So the nearest in BCC, the nearest particle whose coordination number is 8. So this 8 corner atom particle is contact with 8 type of such a particle. 8 type of this kind of particle. That is coordination number 8. Then the second, this is surrounded with 6 like this. Not this one, this thing. Then third nearest. So third nearest, this one is surrounded by this type of particle. So 8. So here the coordination number is 8 whose value is 1. So 8. Here 8 corner atom is surrounded by 3. So the contribution is 1 by 4. 24 divided by 4, that is equal to 6. Then here 8 is contact with 3. Its contribution is 1 by 2. That is 24 divided by 2. That is equal to 12. So the first question, what is the coordination number of nearest and next nearest? Very first and second particle in a BCC crystal. 8 and 6. 8 and 6. That this answer is the correct answer. 8 and 6. First 8, second 6, third 12. That is nearest is 8, next nearest is 6, next nearest is 12. Then second question, what is the nearest distance in BCC crystal? It's very important. That is root 3 a by 2. Root 3 a by 2 is the first nearest distance in, that is the nearest distance in BCC crystal. These two values are very important. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.